Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Pop the hood. Release the hood right here. Move that. Put the prop rod right there. All right, before we pull the hood off, we're gonna wanna mark where it's located on the hinges. We're gonna use a felt tip pen. Just go like that. And then we'll know where to put it back when we reinstall it. We'll do the same for the other side. So we're gonna take this washer hose off. There's no disconnect. We could cut it and then put a union in, but what we'll do is we'll take a right angle pick right here, just work this out. And pull that off there. Actually, you can slide this out here. Pull that through there, pull that through here. We could pull these connectors off, but they'll probably break. So I'll just slide it out. Just like that. Now I'm gonna loosen up these bolts. I'm gonna use a 12mm socket and a ratchet. You just want to get these so they're finger tight. Once they're finger tight, then you can release the hinge from the hood. Sometimes it's tight in there. You can grab a screwdriver and pry. And then I'm going to grab a partner to help me take the hood. And while they hold the hood, I'm going to loosen up these sides and do the same thing. Okay, once they're finger tight, release that. And then while holding the hood, you can take the bolts out. Put the prop rod down. Pull the hood right off. Just come this way. Right. Hold the hood up. Now line it up with the holes. Try to get one of the bolts in. I got those started, and I'll assist my helper. Right. I can put the prop rod back up. Now I can snug these bolts up. Remember to line them up with the mark that you'd already made. That looks pretty good. I'm just gonna snug the top one up, and then I'm gonna check this side. I'll check and make sure this is lined up good. It looks pretty good. So I'll snug this one down, and I'll snug this one down, and then snug up the other two. Make sure the line is in the right spot where I marked it. Snug the bottom one up. Good. So the end of this is swollen, so it's kind of hard to fish it through this way. I'm actually just going to cut the tip of this off. This will just make it easier to fish it through, and it'll create a better seal when we go to put it on. So I'll just use some scissors and cut it right there. And just that little bit taking off isn't going to make it so it's not long enough. slides through there. So we'll slide through here. And push that right on there. Just like that. It's plenty long enough. Now, before I slam the hood, I'm just gonna carefully make sure it lines up on the side. Make sure I'm not hitting my fender. And same with this side. It looks pretty good, and it lines up with the latch. If you look right there, lines up good. So now I'll close it, and everything looks like it lines up good.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.